You are going to love the 2007 Nissan Frontier. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has less than 80,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. All of the premium features expected of a Nissan are offered, including a rear step bumper, skid plates, remote keyless entry, a bed liner, and power windows. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop in and take a test drive.